Hey everyone! Thinking about buying your first Bitcoin but feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, keeping it simple and straightforward. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to buy your first Bitcoin safely. Before we dive in, here's what you'll need. A valid government ID, a bank account or credit card, an email address, a smartphone, optional but recommended, a secure internet connection. Remember, never share your private keys or passwords with anyone, and always enable two-factor authentication for extra security. First, you'll need to pick a trustworthy cryptocurrency exchange. Think of it like choosing a digital bank. Some popular beginner-friendly options include Coinbase, great for beginners, user-friendly interface; Kraken, strong security features; Gemini, excellent regulatory compliance; Binance, largest selection of cryptocurrencies. Pro tip: start with an exchange that's licensed in your country and has a good reputation for security and customer support. Once you've chosen an exchange, sign up with your email. Create a strong password. Set up two-factor authentication. Complete identity verification, KYC. Upload your ID. Take a selfie. Provide basic personal information. This usually takes 5 to 10 minutes, but verification might take a few hours. Next, connect your payment method. Bank transfer, lowest fees but slower. Debit card, faster but higher fees. Credit card, highest fees not recommended for beginners. Always check the fees before proceeding. They can vary significantly between payment methods. Now for the exciting part. Click Buy or Trade. Select Bitcoin, BTC. Enter how much you want to buy. You can buy a fraction of a Bitcoin. Start small if you're unsure. Review the order details. Check the exchange rate. Verify the fees. Confirm your purchase. Congratulations! You now own some Bitcoin. Quick security tips. Consider moving large amounts to a personal wallet. Never share your private keys. Keep your login credentials secure. Enable all security features on your account. That's it. You've just bought your first Bitcoin. Remember to start small, learn as you go, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto guides.